Thank you and good morning. Yes, we are here in a CNBC exclusive with the new Secretary of Energy. That is Chris Wright. He's the former CEO of Liberty Energy Services, the founder as well, former board member of nuclear company Oklo. And we appreciate you giving us this exclusive, Mr. Secretary. Thank you very much.
Brian, thrilled to be here with you.
All right, we're going to talk about oil, we're going to talk about tariffs, talk about nuclear, talk about all that stuff. But I've got to talk about what everybody's talking about here in D.C., which is this cost-cutting brigade, this DOGE group. There was reports out that there was 23-year-olds poking around computer systems here. Nobody seems to know what's going on. Can you give us, on the record, clarity about who these people are and exactly what they're doing in computer systems? Because literally, I want to talk about what matters, but this is all anybody else seems to be talking about.
Yeah, well, let's address that. Look, I'm excited about that. Look, the government is old and maybe a little bit stodgy, and we've got some young kids. Think young gun management consultants coming in to take a critical look at how things are run. Can we do things a little bit more efficiently? Are our systems as efficient as they should be? I've heard these rumors they're like seeing our nuclear secrets or all that. None of that is true at all. They don't have security clearances.
What is true? Who are these people and what are they doing?
They're part of a team assembled by DOGE, friends in Elon's broader circle, that are very good at IT and very good at systems. And they're just doing a critical evaluation of how do we do things today and come up with some ideas about maybe how we could do things better.
We know who they are. You said they have badges.
Oh, absolutely.
They're in the systems. They're not random people on the internet that are I want to be clear on who these people are, because there is a fear like they have my Social Security number. They might have access to the codes, as you said.
They don't have anybody's proprietary information, but I know exactly who they are. We have 3 people in our building run through, checked by our security, and they have access to look around, talk to people, and give us some good feedback on how things are going. I think nothing to be worried about here.
Okay. We'll move on from that, get to the topical issues, price of oil. The president says, drill, baby, drill. You're a guy that ran a fracking company. How do we balance out bringing down the price of gasoline, adding to U.S. production, but yet not destroying the oil and gas investments as well that the CNBC audience talks about and looks at every day?
Yeah, of course, it's a business, and prices are dictated by supply and demand. But we've had 4 years of an administration that's done everything it could to raise the cost to produce a barrel of oil. We're not sure if you can get a permit, to drill here, or it's going to take 18 months. You've got uncertainty. You've got to build pipelines or gathering lines to move that product to market. Well, we're not sure if you can do that. You got to do another study, another this. So when you add the costs, of course you hurt the economics. Now we're going to have a more efficient operating environment. I think we're going to see some efficiencies from scale, some efficiencies from certainty, and more credible capital markets. We've tried to starve the oil and gas industry globally, somehow thinking that's going to help climate change. There's been a lot of nonsense, and I think the agenda of this administration, this president, is to bring back common sense.
Can we have lower oil and gas prices and still have stocks that are not much lower than they are right now?
Oh, absolutely. If you lower the cost of operations, there's a lot of fat in the cost of operations. If you lower the cost of operations, that's going to flow through to lower prices, but not necessarily lower profits.
And that margin, you think, can remain steady and thus hold up, because you are the CEO of a publicly, or were, of a publicly traded company, and on the board, which you have now left, of another publicly traded company.
Absolutely. And look, it's capitalism in businesses driven by profit motives that have driven innovation, that have driven efficiency, and driven improvements in our system. And that's exactly what we want going forward in nuclear, in natural gas, in oil, in geothermal, whatever it is.
Sarah and David and Carl, right before we came to this interview, talking about tariffs and the impact they were showing. Elf Beauty, stock down 25%. We know there's a pause on the potential Canada tariffs. 4.4 million barrels a day we bring in from Canada on average. Much of that going to where you're from, the Rocky Mountain, the Denver area, the upper Midwest. What is your view on potential 10% tariffs? What, if it does happen, what is going to happen to U.S. oil and gasoline prices?
Well, look, obviously the Canadian energy system is built integrated with the United States energy system. Those pipelines come to U.S. refineries that are tuned to refine that heavier, more viscous crude that Canada produces. I don't think we're going to see that change. As the president has said, this is a drug war. This is about concerns and security at our border. This is to get everyone's attention and focus on how can we reduce criminals and fentanyl and drugs that are a threat to American security coming in our borders. I think things are moving in a productive direction.
So you don't, it doesn't sound like you think that tariffs would ultimately occur.
I don't know what the future will bring there, but I know we've got very productive dialogues right now, and we're going to see a reduction in criminal activity coming across our borders.
Because